Yeah, I'd say that's a good question. The way you spot a storm chaser is they come uninvited, right? So if they're knocking on your door and you didn't invite them over, you didn't expect them, and it won't probably be the first one that day either. They're chasing a storm. Not our business model at all. I never really appreciated uninvited guests, especially ones telling me that, oh my gosh, your roof's gonna fall in, and I'm here to save you. But a storm chaser is typically from out of town. Technology has come a long ways, and we can follow weather patterns, and we can tell exactly how big the hail is, how fast the wind was going, and where it landed. Practically nowadays get a map of the specific individual homes and how big the hail was that more than likely hit that home. Great for the storm chaser business model because you can talk to just those customers probably have an insurance claim waiting or should. And so you can encourage them to do that. That's how you would identify one. Is typically for me, they come uninvited. Now, that's not to say there aren't local companies that will go into a neighborhood after a hailstorm as well. If they're there to, in my mind, advocate for and protect the homeowner from what might happen if a storm chaser talks you into doing business with them, then that's okay. But why are they there knocking on your door? Have you ever heard of that company before? They're going to ask you to sign things like an intent to contract. They may even ask for that. If you already have had insurance out, did you already have a check? They're gonna want that. It's amazing to me how many people hand that over. But that's a good sign that you have somebody that's not going to be there a year later when the roof leaks or there's some type of problem because they came from some other state, somewhere else, and that 800 number that they got or that local number they purchased for the time being while they were in there chasing that insurance, those numbers are no longer in service very quickly after that.